Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Earth and its Resources. Lecture number 1. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear students, welcome back with another interesting topic of science, which is about water and air. Water. Earth is called Blue Planet because 71% of Earth is covered with water. Dear beginners, do you know that Pacific's ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? Have you ever wondered why is there no life on other planets as compared to the Earth? The reason is that the presence of water and air on Earth. Atmosphere of Earth consists of air, which surrounds it. Air is composed of different gases. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 20%, argon 0.9%, carbon dioxide 0.3%. Let's learn about air. Envelope of air extends from the surface of Earth to an average height that is 10,000 kilometers. Natural resources. Natural resources are the material that occur on the Earth naturally and used to support the life on Earth. Examples of natural resources: sun, forest, rock, mineral, soil, air, oil, water. Water is the most important natural resource on Earth. Every organism needs water to stay alive. Water exists in 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. The amount of water on Earth remains same, but it constantly moves from one place to another and changes the state. Like solid changes into gas, and gas changes into solid. From ocean to air. The heat from the sun evaporates the water from lakes. From air to earth. The water from clouds fall to the earth as rain and snow. From earth to ocean. The water from rain and melting snow flows into river and oceans. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribed our YouTube channel. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.